Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll explain how to quickly mark all your emails in your Gmail inbox as read with only a few clicks. Let's get straight into it. So I'm logged into Google and I'm in the Gmail inbox. Let's start by selecting all of the emails we want to mark as read. We do this by clicking on the checkbox at the top of the inbox. This selects all the emails on the first page of your inbox, both read and unread. In my case, this selects 100 emails, but the default in Gmail is to show only 25 emails, so you might only select this number initially. To mark all the emails in your inbox as read, however, we need to select every email in your inbox. To do this, I'll turn our attention to the text that has appeared at the top of the inbox. The link shown here allows you to select all emails or conversations in the inbox, and to select all emails, let's click on this once. Gmail confirms that all emails in the inbox have now been selected. The final step we need to take to mark all emails as read is to move our mouse to the inbox toolbar. I want to show the list of further options on the toolbar. To do this, I'll click on the three dots on the right of the bar. A number of links are then presented, but the one I'm interested in is Mark as Read. I'll click on this option once to choose it. Because we chose all of the emails in the inbox, Gmail then displays a notification that you're about to perform a bulk action which will affect all conversations in the inbox. If you're happy to continue, click on the large blue OK button to proceed. Depending on the number of emails in your inbox, it may take a little while to process all of those changes to your emails. But once completed, Gmail confirms that all conversations in your inbox have now been marked as read. And if we scroll through the pages of emails in your inbox, you can see that all emails are marked as read. I hope you found this Woggle guide useful and learned something new. If you have, please like or subscribe so that other users can find it too. Thanks for watching.